Hey lovely, so I'm basically doing my hair, natural hairstyle that I'm carrying for the week. And you can imagine, I've had this my hair loosened and I'm not taking care of it. You can see I'm struggling to detangle it and my hair is just wasting. I don't mind, I just want to detangle every single strand. So I'm using these colorful bands to put my hair in sections because that's the way to go. You have to put this hair in sections. It's just a simple wash and go style. I did the washing like the previous night, so I dried it up and now I'm trying to put it in section and make this very easy coily twist out. You will see the effect at the end of this video, how it looks, and I'm still rocking it even day 3 after. All you need is to spray water on the part that you made curls with and do a very big eye puff style and you'll be feeling yourself. But anyway, let's get into this video.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.